Close your eyes and imagine waking up to the breathtaking skyline of Sydney every single morning. Now open your eyes to the reality of luxurious BELONG Eastgardens student accommodation. Located at the heart of a vibrant Bunnerong Rd neighborhood, Eastgardens offers a range of modern and spacious 1, 2, and 3-bedroom apartments. Each room is well-designed with plush bed, private study station, built-in wardrobes, a generous balcony with double sliding door, and luxurious bathrooms. On weekends, elevate your fitness game at the state-of-the-art gym or dive into a refreshing swim at the gorgeous on-site swimming pool. Join in for a relaxing spa and sauna session with your friends. The choice is yours. Not just that. Hop onto a bus from the front door and you'll reach the University of New South Wales in just 10 minutes. And the icing on the cake is Sydney's vibrant dining scenes at your fingertips. Indulge in Asian delights at Foodle and savor mouth-watering sandwiches at Ban May Kingsford. And when you're in the mood to unwind with friends, the Lounge UNSW is just around the corner. The countdown to your Sydney adventure starts now. Don't wait a moment longer. Head over at amberstudent.com and secure your spot at Eastgardens today.